Hey guys, Mark here. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to finish an end of a rope using a back splice. So a back splice is one of the ways that you can use in order to secure your rope. This will prevent it from fraying or unraveling. Now you could just tape it up, whip it, or make a knot such as a Matthew Walker knot. But the back splice is very fast, efficient, and it requires no additional supplies to do. With that said, let's do it. To start off our back splice, we're going to first unravel some of our rope. Now, how much should you unravel? It basically depends on how much of your rope you want to back splice back in. In most cases, 2, maybe 3 tugs is all you need to secure an end of your rope. So after loosening up your rope like this, we're going to tie a crown knot. To tie the crown knot, take one of the ends and place it counterclockwise over the next end. Then take that end and place it counterclockwise over the next end. Finally, the last end will go into the loop of the first end. Then slowly tighten up. Once you tighten up, you're going to get a nice triangle at the top of your rope. At this point, we can begin splicing. The back splice is actually very simple. What we're going to do is take one of the ends and we're going to find the nearest strand in our rope. So, if we're using this end, this is the nearest strand in our rope. We're going to go over this one, then under the next one. So under this one. So you slightly unravel the rope and you feed your end through, going over, then under. Then take the next end and do the exact same thing. So find the nearest strand in your rope and we're going to go over that one. Then under the next one. Again, unravel the rope a bit and feed your end through, over, under. And finally the last of the ends again goes over the nearest of the strands in your rope and under the next one. So over, then under. It's that simple. We have done one tuck. Now pick up any of the strands and continue the same way. So find the nearest of the strands and go over, then under. Then the next one, again over, under. And the next one, over, under. If you have done it correctly, you're going to notice that you get a nice braided look in your back splice. One thing that is incredibly important when splicing is that you make sure that you're going over and under the strands in your rope and not the other two ends. So always when you're going over and under, you check that you're not using the other two ends. It should help you guide the ends through nicely and get you that nice braided look in your splice, as well as making it more secure. So let's do it one more time for good measure. You find the nearest strand and you go over, then under. Then you take the next strand, again, over, under. And finally the third one, over, under, like this. Usually, 2, maybe 3 tucks is all you need with your ends. In this case I did quite a few more, but it gives you a better look at the finished result. You can further roll your splice if you wanted to get a nicer look to it. But all in all, it is a very secure way of finishing an end of your rope. It is quick to do and requires no additional supplies. Guys, I hope that this technique will come in handy. Thank you and see you next time.